Here you can give the fields, and when you press on execute, yeah, it should run. Okay, so yeah, okay, if you press on execute, nothing will happen for now.
Yes. Okay.
Because it is not programmed. So
Right.
yeah, how to program this then? Yeah, close this window. Yeah, close this window, and right click on the execute button. No, not that execute. You have created a button, right? Right click, view callbacks, go to callback.
Right.
First one.
Callback.
Yeah. Okay. So here, this is the function for that button. So yeah, type x is equal to 1. Semicolon. Yeah, put a debug, save this file first. Save this one. Yeah, put a debugger in that line, 151. Yeah, now run it and just press on the execute button. Okay, so yeah, double click on the left side handles variable. Downside. So whatever the objects that we have created, it is having the names, right? Execute
Right.
this, edit 1, edit 2.
Right.
So yeah, so what you can do, you can close, you can stop the run with debugging. Go to the GUI main panel. Yeah, close that other one. Yeah, open this one. Double click on the first mass field.
Right.
Not there, the field. Yeah, double click there. And in the tag, you mention it as mass. It is written edit 1, right?
Yes.
So that there will be no confusion. Like this is for mass, this is for this one. Yeah, do it for the others also. Constant or spring constant, like something. Give only one word. One word is no space. Now, now you run this from there, top. Yeah, yes. Editing happened. Yeah. Now put a debugger in 151.
Execute.
151. First put a debugger. Yeah. Now press on execute. Okay, now you open handles. Okay, it has all the ring damper and all those things are there, right? So what you need to do, first of all, you need to get the values, right? So mass will have some value, and so what you can do, open that GUI that you have pressed execute button. No, the other one. Yeah. Give some values to mass and spring damper, and then press execute. Execute. Yeah. Now double click on the handle variable and check where the value is there. Okay, so first mass, double click on mass. Yeah, in mass, string value is 10, right? String is 10.
Yes.
Drag it. Yeah, drag it to the not there, to the command window. Leave it there. Okay, this is the variable you should copy this variable. Yeah, go to your main GUI script, the script, not here, the dot m is there, right? GU underscore GU. No,
Yes.
on top, editor, mass, temper, that is written, right? Left side. Yeah.
Right.
Here you paste that value. Enter. Paste value. Yeah, this will be reading the mass value. So m equal to this value.
Okay.
Keep some other m which is not given in the model. You have used small letters or capital letters?
Capital letter.
Then it is fine. Give a semicolon. Do this for the others also, for temper, spring constant, same way that we have done. Go to the handle, then to first delete that one, otherwise it will be confusing. Now drag it. Any variable, maybe D.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do it for the spring also. Spring is remaining, not the damper. Yeah. Okay. So here MSD are the strings. So yeah, MSD are the strings, right? It is not
Yeah.
exact value. So you can type eval in.
Yeah.
Yeah, eval in. No space.
Hmm.
Yeah. Bracket open. Yeah. In quotes base. Yeah. After quotes comma. Then which variable you have used for the model mass? Model mass. Model. Can you open the model? This is not the model. The simulating model.
Okay.
Yeah, that one. Which one? Small m you have used, right? Small m, small c.
Right.
Okay. Minimize this one. Yeah. So you need to write square bracket. Then m equal to, in quotes. Okay. M equal to, in quotes. In quotes. This should be in quotes. No, no. They both should be in quotes. M and equal to should be inside quotes.
Hmm.
Yeah. Comma. After quotes, comma. Yeah. str small m again small m, not equal to small m, and both we keep inside a square bracket. Yeah, both the things. Yeah, yeah. Try to evaluate this one. Evaluate this one. Select the line. Right click. Evaluate. No, no. Select the line. Right click and evaluate. Any error it is giving?
Unrecognized function or variable.
Okay. What you can do? Yeah, you select all the statement from 152 to, yeah, that one. Right click. Evaluate. Okay. Undefined variable m. So what you can do? Uh, you remove the codes. Okay. M equal to m. Okay. What you can do? Yeah, you remove the quotes that is there in the second m. Don't remove the m, just m. You keep. Yeah. Now you evaluate totally. Okay, m equal to 10. Okay.
Right.
So the same thing you repeat for the uh, spring damper, both.
Okay. C and K.
It is K, right? Or some S.
Yeah.
No, no. In your model, whichever is there, you should keep it in the string.
Okay.
C and K. C for spring and K for, no, C for temper and K for this one, spring. Inside, yeah, there only. That will be C and the below will be K.
Okay.
Okay, now you have done the assignment. Now next is to simulate the model. So type sim and the model name inside quotes. Enter.
Testing.
But sim bracket open inside quotes. You need to give the model name. That is mass underscore temper. Yeah. No, no, not copy the model. Just write in quotes mass underscore temper exactly.
Okay.
Now this is the sim
An
command.
extension.
Extension also is fine if you want to put. Exactly. Yeah. So this is the output. So this we need to plot, and what are the outputs that we have taken for the model? Can you check?